Which A3 desktop UV printer fits your workflow? Roll-to-roll versus flatbed. Let's break it down clearly. UV-30R is a desktop roll-to-roll UV DTF printer with integrated AB film laminating, completing printing and lamination in one go. UV-3040H is a flatbed hybrid UV printer designed for direct printing on rigid and cylindrical objects with limited roll media compatibility. Shared features: Epson i3200U1 head, stable and high resolution. A3 format. Compact for desktop setups. Supports CMYK, white and varnish in one pass for high finish prints. Easy to operate. Ideal for mid-level users or custom studios. UV-30R best for soft materials such as labels, stickers, logos, or decorative transfers onto glass, plastic, ceramics, and more. UV-3040H enables direct printing on rigid substrates like metal, acrylic, wood, and glass, no transfer needed. The UV-3040H is not just a standard flatbed printer. With optional accessories, its functionality multiplies. Dedicated fixture. When used with a dedicated fixture, the printer can print on small cylindrical objects such as mugs and tumblers. Unwinder module. With the unwinder module installed, the printer can support roll-to-roll printing on label stock and film materials. UV-30R delivers crisp, layered stickers with excellent transfer color retention. UV-3040H excels at detailed typography on metal, enhanced with white ink and varnish for a premium 3D texture. Great for precision signage like plaques, premium branding boards, or custom product packaging. Clear print lines, saturated color, and varnish give depth and durability. One prints films, the other prints boards. Different uses, clearly distinct strengths. Roll or flatbed? It depends on your product line and future goals. Both are A3 single head systems. Cost-effective choices for scaling up or starting out. Small size, big savings. Upgrade your compact printing power now.